In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your primary domain in Bluehost. Whether you're rebranding your site or simply need a change, updating your primary domain is a straightforward process, and we're here to walk you through it step by step. Let's dive in and get started. First and foremost, the key action here involves contacting Bluehost support. Now, you might be wondering why this step is necessary. Well, Bluehost has this as a requirement to ensure everything goes smoothly and securely, both for your sake and theirs. It's all about making sure that any changes to your account are verified and legitimate. Before you reach out, gather some essential information that Bluehost support will need. This will ensure that the process is quick and streamlined. Begin with your current primary domain. This is the domain name that is presently set as primary in your account. You'll also need the new primary domain you wish to use instead. Having these details ready will keep the conversation with support efficient and to the point. Next on the list is your cPanel password, which plays a crucial role in verifying your identity during the change process. Specifically, Bluehost will ask for the last 4 characters of this password. This additional verification step is designed to add another layer of security, ensuring that no one but you can make significant changes to your account. An important administrative step is to include an acknowledgement with your request. This acknowledgement is a clear statement to Bluehost that you've done your due diligence. It serves as a confirmation that you fully understand the implications of changing your primary domain. These implications might include changes to how your email accounts and website files are accessed, so it's crucial to be aware. Furthermore, this acknowledgement confirms you've backed up all necessary data. Backing up your data is fundamental because it safeguards your information against any potential hiccups that might occur during the transition. It ensures that even if something unexpected happens, your information remains intact and secure. So, just to recap the steps before moving on. Gather the current and new primary domain details, prepare the last 4 characters of your cPanel password, and write a brief acknowledgement understanding the change implications and validating your completed backups. Now that you've prepared everything, it's time to reach out to Bluehost support. You can do so either through a phone call, live chat, or by creating a support ticket, whichever method you're more comfortable with. Once you've contacted them and provided the necessary information, the support team will guide you through the remaining steps to change your primary domain. By following these clear steps, you ensure that the change is both efficient and secure. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made it a breeze for you to change your primary domain in Bluehost.